Good afternoon and welcome to PPP Systems Limited. Today I just wanted to briefly show the number plate software for the Citizen CL-S621. Now I've got the printer connected into the computer. We're looking at the home screen, and the first thing we need to do is actually install the printer. We do that by clicking on Manage Printers, and the software goes off and has a look and sees what printers are connected. It's found my CL-S621, and all I need to do is click Install. Nothing more. There's no drivers. You don't have to mess about with your PC or anything. It'll just work. Close that down. Oh, forgive me. Before I close it down, I just want to show you that once the print is installed, there's an adjust button, and this allows you to control the print darkness, print speed. Now these two go hand in hand based upon the media you're printing to, and it is something that you shouldn't need to mess about too much with. A speed of 2 is fine. Too fast, it won't print very well. And we found 18 works with reflective, 10 works with acetate. However, different reflective will present different things. The horizontal shift is for you to correct centering on the short edge. Again, we found 5 is about right. Paper position is the amount of media that is fed out after the print and then pulled back in on the next print. And the vertical positioning is where the printing will actually start on the media. You shouldn't need to bother with these at all. And if you do, you simply click Send Parameters, and those are updated to the printer, and you're done with that. Now what we can do is go to number plates, and we're just going to put in a test reg, and it's all pretty straightforward. Now choices you have down here are for printing. So are you going to print to reflective, and is it going to be single sheet or continuous? This only affects how the paper will, how the media will feed. In continuous mode, it will continuously go on once it's set, and either reflective or acetate. So we're going to stick with reflective single. Now when we preview, up comes our plate ready for printing. We have a choice of quantity, 1, 2 or 3 pieces. This is the printer we're going to be printing out to. But the first thing we do before we print, and we must, and here I'll show you, you need to set the printer. You only have to do it once, but you need to set it if you switch the printer off and back on, if you lift the head, or if you adjust the printer as we saw over here. So any of those 3 things you do, you will need to then click set. Now what happens is when you click set, depending upon what you've chosen here, and also your adjustment here, so for example the paper position is what controls how far it sets it. When you click set, it moves it into position, and now without lifting the head you slide the media in against the rubber roller, press the feed, and that's it. The media is all set, and then you can simply print, and out goes the file, and it prints perfectly. I hope this has been of interest. I hope it's helped understand how simple it is to actually set up a CL-S621 using the PPP software. Thank you for your time.